What's going on, guys? Thank you for watching another video. I know I've been at MIA. I recently moved, so that's why there's like no content at all. And the Mustang is still down at my parents' house, so I haven't been able to make any videos, which sucks. But I actually found one of my old memory cards, and it has like all my old footage of me bagging the car, caging it, buying wheels, all the good stuff. All the videos I should have been posting, but I never did. So I'm just gonna make a build in 10-minute video. And yeah, I'm hoping to have the Mustang up here by the beginning of the year-ish, semi-done. And yeah, but it is a lot of money. I am doing like a full carbon drift car, like everything carbon. So carbon isn't cheap, drift parts aren't cheap, angle kit, everything. I'm tubing the front, tubing the back, doing like a legit full on like FD spec car. So it's a lot of money, but hoping to have that done. I'm working on a clothing brand, which is a lot of work. It's not just like any other clothing brand. I'm trying to contact manufacturers from overseas and all that stuff, so it is a lot, but I'm hoping this drop. I've came up with a couple designs and the shit is fire. Like the shit is like legit clothing brand. Like it's coming out sick. So I'm proud of that. I've been putting a lot of my time into that, but I don't want to talk too much. I've been streaming on Twitch too, so if you guys want to come hang out, talk about clothing brands, cars, anything, I'll drop my Twitch down below so you guys can hang out, play some Warzone, Forza. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Sorry I've been MIA, but yeah, that's the reason why. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Installing my 6-point roll cage. That powder coated candy red. This thing wants to focus. It came out crazy. This thing is glossy as hell. I mean, the install is pretty easy. I already have my back seats out as it is right now, but it's just 4 bolts on each side, which I don't have that one in right now because I took everything out to like test fit it. But yeah, it's just the seat bolts on each side, and then my back seats are already out. So let's get to it. Okay, I got everything lined up. Got the little paint marker to mark the holes to make sure everything was aligned perfectly. I mean, hopefully it comes out good. There's a little preview of it. Car up and take my wheels off so I don't fucking punch through a tire. Even though it is kind of high because I have it aired up all the way. I guess full send. What's going on, guys? Fast forward like 2 to 3 hours. It's like extremely hard to like film and do all this because it's all by myself, so it's like extremely hard. But I mean, everything's put together. I just gotta fix up a few things like the carpet and panels, and I got the back seats in but not the side panels. But yeah, this thing is looking crazy. I just made it to the tire shop. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Let's go to this wheel. There's a little sneak peek of the wheel. A stretch. I think it's about to look crazy. Look at them. I think it actually is gonna clear the brakes with that spacer on there. Hell yeah. And the fitment looks like it's gonna be pretty damn good aired out. What's going on, guys? Just wanted to make a quick little video of why I've been MIA on YouTube. And here it is. The damage. So I've been working on pulling the motor. Got this heads off, this side head. I just got that side, and then it's pretty much out. But that's pretty much the whole reason why I've been MIA. I think I spun a rod and it started knocking. Look what finally came in. The new block. Well, here it is. The new complete engine. We picked it up yesterday. And damn, this thing is like spotless. And I literally can't get over it. I've been staring at it. We're almost done pulling this motor. We have the trans unbolted, so it's literally just putting these braces to pull it out. And I got that side on already. We just got the back one, and then this motor should be coming out. So hopefully we get it out today. Well, I was curious to see, I took the oil pan off, because since we got a new motor, like we haven't really focused on this or seeing what the issue is, but I was curious, and look at it. Not good.
It's still in here.
Pretty much order clutch headers, new coil packs, and that's about it. And then my clutch, you can tell, has been pretty beat on. The headers finally showed up, and there you go, the last piece of the puzzle. I finally got this damn bumper. I've been trying to get it for a long time, like on American Muscle and all the other websites, but honestly I wasn't trying to pay like $1,100, $1,200, how much ever it is. And this actually came up on OfferUp, and I got it for a super good deal, so I cannot pass that up. What's going on, guys? Thanks for checking out another video. Today we're gonna be revealing my wrap on my Mustang. Finally, I've had it wrapped for maybe about a week now, and like finally getting to like finish it completely, because it was taking me like forever. It took me probably like 2 weeks to actually like wrap the big parts of the car, but it came out fucking insane. Like, I'm so in love with the color. Like I think I picked the right color. I wanted something bright but not like too crazy. But yeah, I'm extremely happy with the way it turned out. And I was gonna try to vlog like me wrapping it, because I did wrap it majority of the car by myself, and I did have some help on the front and rear bumper, and a couple homies did help me, which I do appreciate that. But yeah, for the most part, like squeegeeing and everything, like I did it myself, and I'm happy it came out the way it did. I thought it was gonna be super hard to actually wrap a car, but it's really not. Like,